Hello and welcome with your look at what's moving the markets today. Equity markets rallied into last weekend as continued better than expected corporate earning results turned the market sentiment positive. The European bank's stress test came back mostly favorable on Friday, sending markets even higher. We saw traders relocate risk capital out of U.S. Treasuries and back into the equity and commodity markets. This pushed yields higher as the benchmark 10-year note settled at 3% after trading below that level through last Thursday. The dollar was mixed against the G7 currencies for most of past week. Though we did see the British pound soar Friday as better than expected GDP figures printed in the UK. Let's take a look at the daily pound chart. The pound continues to trend nicely against the dollar. It broke through near-term resistance Friday just below 1.53. The pound now looks to break above the prior high set at 1.54 as it will look to take out the 200-day moving average. In contrast to the pound's Friday rally, we saw this first Swiss franc sell-off. Many technical analysts are looking at the head and shoulders pattern building on the Swiss franc. We see the left shoulder as well as the head shoulder already nicely formed, so analysts are expecting the franc to pull back to 1.08 to complete the right shoulder, in which a case break below 1.04 could push the franc back towards dollar parity. For now, though, investors would like to see the market build on this equity rally as a signal that the longer-term economic global recovery is sustainable. Thanks for watching and have a good day of trading.